Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a cool body outline by using the CapCut draw feature. You can actually use CapCut video effect or body effects to have the outline, but here I'm going to show you the other way. So just go to text and here find the draw feature, and here click on the pattern options. You can also use the basic, but I'm going to just use pattern. Here just choose which one that you want to use. So for example, I'm going to use this one, the cat. So just draw the outline around the body like this. Okay, don't forget to adjust the size if you want. I'm going to just leave it as it is, and that's it. Just click on the check icon when you're done, so it will become an image like this. You can always move it around like so. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.